Hi, I'm Damon Tennant. I'm creator of ILANOMADVIDEO, and I want to welcome you to our membership program. There are two key benefits that you get with our membership program. Number one, as you know, every week we upload a GED skill building video. And in the description of that video, I make available a worksheet or a practice test for $2 to $5 each to give you more detail and more practice on the skill that I just taught in that video. As a member of this channel, that's included for you at no additional charge. Number two, I make available to you a downloadable version of the practice test workbook. This is 50 GED math questions that if you can get a hold of these types of questions, you are going to pass the test. So I welcome you to our membership program, and I hope that you will enjoy all the tools that you'll get as part of your membership. And please comment in the video and let me know how you're enjoying our program.